Hello everyone and welcome to Whimsy Creek Art. In today's video I did a dirty pour technique with some beautiful pinks and grays. So I used this pure pigment from FolkArt, Payne's Gray, Cheep brand Pearl White, and then Master's Touch Persian Pink. And so I have taken the pink and mixed the pearl white with it. And so I have made 3 different shades of the pink just by mixing the pearl white. And then also 3 different shades of the gray by mixing the pearl white in the Payne's Gray. And I mixed my paint just as I mix all my other paints, 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. And so I have mixed it up and I'm just pouring them down. I poured a little bit of that lighter pink I had mixed up and this lighter metallic Payne's Gray down kind of as a base. And then I have mixed up, I've already poured a dirty cup here, just various shades of that pink and grays. And the Payne's Gray did have 2 drops of treadmill oil, 100% silicone. So you can see the Payne's Gray is kind of selling up a little bit. And I am so sorry, but today's video is not quite all the way. The canvas isn't completely in frame. And so this is a 14 by 14 inch canvas, and I'm just tilting it to get all the way to the edges, stretching those cells out. And there is gorgeous, gorgeous lacing, the lighter gray, just beautiful lacing across here. And I'll give you a close-up shot here in just a moment, and you can see that lacing, and there's a good variety of cells. Some of the medium color of the gray had little tiny cells, and then there was a little streak of just the straight Payne's Gray with none of the pearl white kind of through the middle. All right, here's a close-up shot. And you can kind of see the camera does not do this one justice. It is just gorgeous, and that pearl white gave it a beautiful shimmery effect. So all right, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll show you a couple of close-up still shots. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. And as always, please let me know if you have any questions. You can always message me on any of the social media platforms that are listed in my About page, or you can comment down below. Please, please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a wonderful day or night or whatever part of the day it is in your world. All right, thank you so much.